The mommy on the bus seat. Oh,
Di kaya sa Ate Joyce muna?
How are you?
I love you ba kaya parang how are you?
The driver on the bus seat. Move on back. Very cute. All through the
Kami ba na ng batang ito talaga ba?
The dog on the bus seat.
Dami ka kayo ng bus?
All through the town. The horn on the bus seat. All through the The wipers on the bus seat.
Yung ganyan ano? Kaya.
Head, shoulders, and shoulders.
Pambata namin si Kuya Dave, si Kuya Dave.
Eyes and ears, baby.
The baby on the bus. Ah, do da da.